Hey, what's up everybody? Shawn here with Empire Auto Spa, and it has been a couple of weeks, and there are a few things we want to take care of on the Empire shop truck. Now, Snowflake has gone through a pretty good transformation so far, and there are a few things we need to clean up. We wanted to take care of the side view mirrors and get rid of those horrendous headlights that were on it, and that's what we're about to show you in today's video. So, enjoy the next transformation of Snowflake.
If there was ever a time to cut to 3 weeks earlier, it'd be right now.
Title: 3 weeks earlier.
So the parts have started coming in for the Excursion, and one of the easiest ones was the side view mirrors. Now, I have already dug into this a little bit, and I really wanted to get an opportunity to unbox this. So Ryan over here, go to Ryan. That's the face of apprehension. He's gonna help me put the mirrors on. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. Ryan can do everything in about 5 minutes, so let's unbox and see what we got here. So these things are actually super cool. You just slide that one out of the way. First off, I was floored by the packaging, right? So bubbles, but like, feel the quality of that bubble wrap.
Oh, this is real deal.
It's good bubble wrap, right?
Hey.
And then look, yeah, wow, that was like gunshot loud.
How to do it? How to do it?
And then look at this.
Wow.
There's tubular bubble wrap. What will they think of next?
More fun.
And then, look at these things in all their glory. So you'll remember from previous videos that on the passenger side, this was damaged. And even on the driver's side, it doesn't look that good.
Those are smoked out too.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Really, really well-built piece. The box says Spider, so I'm going to assume that's who I bought them from. I know a lot of these other guys are really good about giving credit to the company that they buy stuff from. They're not sending me a check, so I don't know where I got these, but they look good. Good luck to you. So Ryan, take a look at these, man. You think this is something we'd be able to slap on the old Excursion?
Absolutely.
5 minutes?
6 minutes. Tops.
Building in margin.
Good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Good stuff though. Good stuff.
Feel it, take it. Feel the girth of that sucker.
Wow. No wonder it's so heavy. It's built nice. It smells good.
It does. It's really well built.
From plastic.
Ooh, yeah.
I mean, it's really well built.
No, this is nice.
A few moments later.
Was this box dropped? It sure was. There were 2 marks right there.
Man,
I was floored by the packaging.
you just can't have nice things anymore.
Feel the quality of that bubble wrap.
Yep, it was dropped. Look, 2 marks in here.
There's tubular bubble wrap.
It was dropped.
Looks like you spoke too soon.
It was dropped. It could
Come over here and come take a look at this.
After thorough investigation, it dropped hard too for those to crack. They look weird when they were a little twisted.
Even with all the bubble wrap, you guys believe this?
No, I don't.
I mean, they had
Tubular.
tubular bubble wrap.
And argyle bubble.
Oh, wait a minute. The only piece that there was no bubble wrap on.
Yep, there's your problem.
Lesson learned. Bubble wrap everything.
This sucks.
I guess it looks like we'll shoot this one again when I get some that don't have angles. Well, you guys get the idea. You know where we're going. Very soon, the Excursion will have new, straighter side view mirrors on it.
Several days later.
So, I have more boxes. In the very beginning of this video, well, I guess you're probably going to edit this, so it was like 10 seconds ago you saw that I got a new set of side view mirrors. My side view mirrors were damaged. I'm going to assume that that's what's in here, and we'll know in just a second. I also ordered some new headlights because I feel like the headlights on the Excursion are kind of dated. So, we wanted to unbox some headlights. So, Matt, come on over.
All right.
So let's find out if maybe, just maybe, these are not damaged this time. So in shipping, it melted to the adhesive. Really?
That's what we got too.
Really? All right, so grab this side, go ahead and peel. Oh yeah. Wow. Our little guy down here, and find out whether or not our side view mirrors are again damaged. Last time, after further inspection, we could see, unfortunately, we could see very similar damage to that. So, let's check again. Yeah, second piece looks pretty good again. All right. Well, I like it. Looks like the very first little bit of customization for the Excursion, and a lot more coming. Enjoy the video, and if you have any comments or questions about the products, where we got them, or if we can maybe help your vehicle turn into its best version of itself, drop us a comment or message us directly here at Empire Auto Spot. We'll see you guys back here very soon with more progress on the Excursion. So there you have it. If you're at home and you're wondering how to install the side view mirrors and the headlights, this video is really not going to help you. However, if you're wondering how it looks like when it's done, check it out. As you can see, headlights went in nicely, side view mirrors have been updated, they look killer, and we are making steady progress on Snowflake.
Stay tuned for this and more.
Whatever, I'm done here.
Thank you for watching us.